Okay, hi everyone. So we done with MM proposition 1. So MM proposition 1 explain when there is no tax imposed. So when there is no tax, so when there is no tax imposed to a firm, so what happened? It shows you that increase in debt give no effect to the cost of the capital structure. Okay, to the cost of the capital. So when you calculate the WACC, because you want to know how much is the cost of the total capital of your firm. So it means that the combination of debt and also the equity. So increase in debt give no any effect towards the cost of the equity. Towards the cost of the total capital structure. Okay, so now we want to move to MM proposition 2. Okay, so this graph shows you that with zero tax, MM theory argued that the value is unaffected by leverage. So it means that increase in debt give no any effects. Give no effect to the cost of the capital. Okay, so with tax, with leverage or without leverage, still the value of the firm is remain the same. Okay, so in MM proposition 2, but it argues that with tax, and there is a tax imposed, the value of the firm is going to be increased, or the value, not the value, the total of cost of the capital structure is lower. So it tells you that when corporate tax are added, so the value of leviate firm is not same with value of unleviate firm. Value of unleviate firm increase as the debt is added to the capital structure, and the greater the debt usage, the higher the value of the firm. Okay, so the cost of equity will increase with the leverage at a slower rate when the corporate tax are considered. Okay, so basically in MM proposition 2, it tells you that the cost of the total capital, the cost of capital going to be decreased. Okay, it's a slower decrease. Okay, so let us continue with the example, the same example, but there is a tax of 40%. What happens when there is a tax of 40% in proposition 2? Okay. So MM proposition 2 will consider that is a tax. What happened to the total capital structure? Start with value of leviate firm equal to value of unleviate firm plus with tax times with debt. Okay, so This is in proposition 2. So proposition 2. So this is the rules in proposition 2 that you have to follow. So value of deviate firm equal to value of undeviate firm plus tax times with that. This is the first one. Second, cost of equity of the deviate firm is equal to cost of equity of undeviate firm plus cost of equity of undeviate firm minus cost of debt times with debt over equity times with 1 minus tax. Okay, so this is the rule for proposition 2. The third rule is value of undeviate firm equal to earning before interest and tax times with 1 minus tax divide with cost of equity of the undeviate firm. Alright, so these are the rules in proposition 2. Still the same thing you have to follow lah. The level, the value of deviate firm, the cost of equity of undeviate firm. Sorry, the cost of equity of deviate firm. L is referred to deviate firm. Cost of equity of deviate firm. Okay, so that is the meaning lah. Kalau yang ni, cost of equity of undeviate firm. Alright, so now first thing first you have to calculate is value of undeviate firm. So how much is the value of undeviate firm? Value of undeviate firm according to the rules given in proposition 2, it tells you that value of undeviate firm equal to earning before interest and tax or the operating profit. You have to times with 1 minus tax. Divide with 0.14. Why is divide with 0.14? Is because of cost of equity of undeviate. So earning before interest and tax is 500,000 times with 1 minus tax is 0.6. Divide with 0.14. So the answer is 2,100,042,857. Okay, so this is the value of undeviate firm. So once you know the value of undeviate firm, you need to find the value of deviate firm. Value of deviate firm is equal to value of undeviate firm plus with debt times with tax. Okay, because from the debt there is a tax. Okay, so what happened now? You know value of undeviate firm. Am I right? So value of the undeviate firm is equal to 2,142,857 plus with debt. Debt is 1 million. But don't forget, this 1 million, this debt of 1 million, you have to times with tax. You have to times with the tax rate. Tax rate is 0.4. 0.4 times 1 million equal to 400 million. Sorry, equal to 400,000. So 400,000 plus 2,100,000 equal to 2,500,042, 857. So this is the value of unlevied. This is the value of levied firm. Okay, so you know the total value of levied firm. Now you want to find, you know the value of levied firm. Now you want to find the total equity in the levied firm. How much is the total equity in the levied firm? So the levied firm is a combination of debt and equity. So debt is 1 million, but you don't know what is the equity. How much is equity? You don't know, but you know the value of levied firm. So value of levied firm is 2,542,857. So now equity is equal to 1,542,857. Okay, so this is the total equity. All right. Now, once you know the total equity of the levied firm, you need to find the cost of this equity. So cost of equity of the levied firm equal to cost of equity of unlevied firm plus cost of equity of unlevied firm minus cost of debt. Okay, when you deal with debt, you need to minus tax. So times 1 minus tax and times with the debt and equity. Debt over equity. So cost of equity of unlevered firm is equal to 14% plus 14 minus 8 times with 1 minus 0.4 is equal to 0.6 times with the total debt, that is 1 million, divide the total equity is 1,542,857. So total is 14% plus, so all this answer 1,000 divided with 1,542,857 times with 0.6 times with 6. 6 is 40 minus 8. So the answer is 2.33%. So the total answer is 16.33%. Alright? So now you know the cost of debt of levied firm. So now you know cost of equity is 16%. Cost of debt is 8%. Now you can find the WACC. So WACC is equal to weightage of debt times with cost of debt. But remember, when you deal with debt in proposition 2, you still need to minus with tax. So this answer then you can plus with cost weightage of equity times with cost of equity. So weightage of debt, how to know weightage of debt? Weightage of debt is total debt divide with value of the levied firm. So value of the levied firm equal to 2542,857. Cost of debt is 8%. 1 minus tax is 0.6. Okay. So plus weightage of equity. Weightage of equity is total equity divide with the value of the firm. Times with cost of equity. Just now you calculate cost of equity, right? Now you need to use the information. So the total of this is 1,000 divide 2542857. So this answer you times with 8. Just put 8 in your calculator. No need to put this signal. Just put 8. So just times 8, then times 0.6. So the answer is 1.89. So the answer already in percentage. Okay. So plus with 9.91. So the total answer is 11.8%. So you can see that the total cost of this capital structure is decreasing because of the tax, because there is a tax imposed. Okay, so that's all for capital structure. So if you have any question, just let me know. All right, bye, thank you.